Hey guys, so I'm here and I just got my new phone case. So this is for the S26 Ultra, brand new phone. And so this is a sweet looking phone case. So I'll show you guys exactly how it kind of works. So it has this camera opening here that slides and then sticks so it won't just fall down or anything like that. It sticks on both sides. So if you want it open or if you want it closed. And the nice thing about this is it has the rim around here, which the rim will kind of protect the camera itself. If it was open and dropped, it hopefully will catch itself on this rim and not damage your lenses themselves. That's my biggest thing. And then it obviously says here that this is the lens protector. So you could put this over when you're not using it and then it's totally safe. And then also the sweet part is it's pretty thin, but it's got this wallet space here. And I assume this is like an RFID thing, so you can put your wallet, you can put your credit cards, your ID in here and feel safe with just carrying this around, and it just snaps closed and that's not going anywhere. Plus it has this nice kind of fox leather inside of here and then the nice buttons on the side. So I like this, and this is a pretty solid phone case and I give it a thumbs up.